Hi everyone, Abel in Vegas here with another box break video. I have another box of Panini Prizm that I've decided to just go ahead and open. There's a lot of people opening these, so it's been a very popular product, so let's go ahead and rip into it. It says we get 6 packs with 4 cards per pack. And we have a chance of the disco prisms. So let's see if we could pull any nice ones. Pack number 1. First up we have a Landon Collins base. We have a Kenyon Drake base. We have our first disco. It's a rookie card of Deshaun Hand. And then we have a Tariq Cohen base. Next pack. We have a Zach Ertz base. We have a Joey Bosa base. And then we have a Joe Flacco disco. And a Jadeveon Clowney base. We have a Quincy Enunwa base, Mike Evans base, a rookie card of Kalen Ballage, and then a base Jordan Poyer. Looks like we have a hit here. We have a Devin McCourtney base, and then we have a Jalen Samuels, a relic, premier jerseys. We have a Justin Jackson rookie card, and a Marvin Jones Jr. base card. Kid Reporter. We have a Pierre Garcon base, Kiko Alonso base, a Jeremy Hill disco, and a Larry Fitz base. Alright, last pack. We have an Alshon Jeffrey base. We have a Kurt Warner Prizm for the Hall of Fame insert series. We have a Jari Alexander base. And then an AJ McCarron for the Bills. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video soon.